Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update SendGrid templates for transactional emails, detailed guide step by step clearly. Log in to your SendGrid account. Navigate to the Email API section from the dashboard. Select the Templates option to access your existing templates. Locate the template you wish to update. Click on the template name to open the editing interface. Review the current content of the template for any necessary updates. Make changes to the HTML or text content as required. If using dynamic data, ensure your placeholders are correctly formatted. Preview the template to see how it appears in both desktops. Test the email by sending a preview to yourself or a colleague. Check for formatting issues and broken links in the preview. Once satisfied with the updates, click the Save button. Consider versioning your templates for better organization. If needed, update the subject line and any relevant metadata. After saving, return to the templates list to confirm your changes. If you have multiple templates, repeat the process for each one as necessary. Finally, integrate the updated template into your transactional email workflows. Monitor the email performance after sending to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.